So right now, Tamia is flat ironing out the hair. Tamia just used her specialized shampoo and conditioner. And what we're trying to show you guys is how hydrated the client's hair is without oil clogging up the pores of the scalp, without it clogging. It just has a natural, she used all natural products with her conditioning and shampoo, and look at the flow of it. It's very straight, it's very vibrant. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at it. And that's what to me, oh, that is so pretty. And that's what to me is special shampoo. You just can't get that anywhere. That's really pretty to me. Look at that. Look how it's laying. Yeah. It has a natural, all natural shine. It's soft. It's very soft. Yeah. To me, it's evolution. You are ready.